Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Transit door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a plastic pry tool, and a torque screwdriver set. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat surface with the parking brake engaged for safety. Begin by carefully prying off the trim surrounding the window and door handle. Use a plastic pry tool to gently release the clips, working your way around the edges to avoid damage. Next, you will need to locate and remove all the screws that secure the door panel to the door frame. These screws are typically found behind small plastic covers or trim pieces, so look carefully. You might find screws under the window switch, behind the door handle, or in the armrest. Use the appropriate torque screwdriver, often a T20, to remove these fasteners and set them aside safely. With all the screws removed, the door panel is now held only by clips. Insert a trim removal tool between the door panel and the door frame, starting from the bottom corner. Gently pry outwards to release these clips. Work your way around the entire panel, applying even pressure. Be careful not to use excessive force, as this can damage the panel or break the clips, which may need replacement. Once all clips are released, gently pull the door panel away from the door frame. Before complete removal, you must disconnect any electrical connections for power windows, locks, or mirrors. Carefully unplug these connectors by pressing their release tabs. Also, detach the Bowden cable for the door handle by lifting it back and pulling it out. Finally, lift the door panel upwards and away to fully remove it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.